Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Too Many Bones. First, select your gear lock, a unique character with special skills. Next, prepare the adventure map by placing encounter chips and the baddie battle mat. Each gear lock begins with 3 stat dice, 1 skill die, and 1 initiative die. Remember to set your health chip to 20 and your baddie chip to 1, preparing for your epic journey. The game unfolds over several days, each starting with an adventure phase where you select an encounter. Before combat, roll initiative dice for all gearlocks and baddies to establish the turn order. On your turn, roll your available dice and strategically assign them to your character's skills or stats. These assigned dice then allow you to execute powerful actions, whether it's a devastating attack, a crucial defense, or a timely heal. As you progress through encounters, your gearlock gains valuable experience points. These points are essential for character development, allowing you to purchase new skill dice or enhance the ones you already possess. Each skill die represents a unique ability, offering powerful options in combat. Additionally, defeating baddies often rewards you with new gear and loot, further strengthening your gearlock for the challenges ahead. Your ultimate goal is to navigate the adventure map, overcoming numerous encounters and challenges. Accumulate enough progress points to finally confront the formidable tyrant. This climactic battle will test all your developed skills and strategic prowess. Successfully defeating the tyrant and their accompanying minions marks your triumph, bringing your epic quest to a victorious conclusion. Good luck, Gearlocks!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.